Today we are going to do chapter number 12, time. All of you know how to see the time in the clock, right? Today we will learn how to convert the days into hours and hours into minutes. All of you know that in one day, how many hours are there? In one day, how many hours? 24 hours, right? And in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes, right? So today we will learn how to convert the days into hours and hours into minutes, right? Conversion. First topic, convert days into hours. For example, the question is 4 days. 4 days into hours. You have to convert 4 days into hours, right? So all of you know in one day how many hours are there? In one day there are 24 hours, right? If in one day there are 24 hours, then how many hours will be there in 4 days? How many hours will be there in 4 days? In 4 days, how many hours will be there? What you have to do? You have to multiply 24 by 4. What we will do? We will multiply 24 by 4. Right? In one day, there are 24 hours. So, in 4 days, how many hours will be there? We will multiply 24 by 4. Right? We'll do the multiplication here. 4 4s are 16. 6. 1 will be carried over to 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 and 1, 9. So, in 4 days, how many hours will be there? 96 hours. How many hours will be there? 96 hours. So, first we have to see in one day how many hours are there. In one day there are 24 hours. So, in 4 days how many hours will be there? 24 multiplied by 4. So, we will get 96 hours. Another example. Suppose the question is 3 days, 3 hours. The question is 3 days, 3 hours. You have to convert 3 days, 3 hours into hours. Into hours only. So what you will do? First we will convert the days into hours. Then we will add the hours into hours. All of you know that in one day how many hours are there? In one day there are 24 hours. Right? So in 3 days how many hours will be there? In 3 days there will be how many hours? We will multiply 24 by 3. Right? We will multiply 24 by 3. We will do the multiplication. 3 4s are 12. 2, 1 will be carried over to 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 and 1, 7. So, in 3 days, how many hours will be there? 72 hours. Right? Now, we have converted these days into hours. Now, what is left? 3 hours. So, what we will do? We will add 3 hours into 72 hours. So, we'll add 72 hours plus 3 hours. Because we are getting 3 hours, so we'll add 3 hours in 72 hours. So what we will get? 3 plus 2 is 5 and 7. So how many hours will be there? In 3 days, 3 hours, how many hours will be there? There will be 75 hours. Clear? So when we have to convert the days into hours, we have to see that in one day how many hours are there? 24. So whatever the days are given, we have to multiply by 24 and we'll get the hours. Clear? Next, now how to convert the hours into minutes? Second topic, convert hours into minutes. Now in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes, right? So for example, the question is convert 6 hours into minutes. You have to convert 6 hours into minutes. So all of you know that in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes, right? 60 minutes. So in 6 hours, the question is given 6 hours, you have to find how many minutes are there in 6 hours. So 6 hours is equal to, what you will do? You will multiply 6 by 60. You will multiply 6 by 60. Now we'll do the multiplication by 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 6 are 36. So in 6 hours, how many minutes are there? There are 360 minutes. We have converted the hours into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 6 hours is equal to 60 multiplied by 6 and we'll get 360 minutes. Clear? Another example. Suppose the question is given for example, the question is given 12 hours 20 minutes. You have to convert 12 hours 20 minutes into minutes. Right? You have to convert 12 hours 20 minutes into minutes. So what you will do? First you will convert the hours into minutes and then you have to add the minutes into minutes. All of you know that 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Right? So 12 hours is equal to, what we will do? We will multiply 60 by 12. So we'll multiply 60 by 12. Now we'll do the multiplication. 2 zeros are 0. 2 6 are 12. Now we have to multiply by the second number. So we'll put a cross. 1 zeros are 0. 1 6 are 6. Now we'll add them. 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. So when we convert 12 hours into minutes, how many minutes we get? We get 720 minutes. How many minutes we get? 720 minutes. Now we have solved the 12 hours and converted into minutes. Now what is left? 20 minutes. So we'll add 20 minutes in 720 minutes. We'll add them, right? What we will get? 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 7. We will do the addition. So when we convert 12 hours 20 minutes into minutes, what do we get? We get 740 minutes. Is it clear? I hope all of you are clear how to convert the days into hours and hours into minutes. Thank you and have a nice day.